Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. I got a cook. Well, I got a cook for you. I don't have the cook I originally planned. I'm having some lower back issues right now, and standing up straight is best for me. And the Weber Kettle cook that I planned wasn't going to work well with me having to stand up straighter. So bear with me, guys. I got some wings here. We're going to get them seasoned up here with some awesome Heath Riles garlic butter seasoning. Gonna get them on the Monument Grill. Got my smoker tube with some mesquite wood filled up in it, and we're gonna get a little smoke on these and grill them off at the end. So guys, stick around. Let me show you what we're doing. Hey guys, this is roughly, it's about 3 pounds of wings. They were frozen. A couple of them actually are slightly still frozen, but I'm trying to get all the moisture off of them that I can. And it's about 3 pounds, I think. Get all the moisture we can off of them, and we'll get them seasoned up from there. Alright guys, as I said, this is some Heath Riles. This is their garlic butter. Love this stuff. I've used this before, but let me tell you a short story about my trip. We went to Academy Sports, our local store here in Louisville, and went back to the barbecue area, and they had an entire section of shelves lined up with nothing but rubs and sauces from YouTubers, mostly YouTubers. Because you had the Heath Riles, you had the Malcolms, Hey Grill Hey, and I just think that's awesome that they put up a section dedicated to our friends on social media. So yeah. You got Academy Sports near you? Check it out, guys. Guys, a flip. Give the other side some seasoning. Because I'm gonna finish this up. Go out here and fire up the grill and get this thing on. Please excuse the AC noise. It got a little warm today. Get it warm up, we'll get this thing cleaned off and get her going. Guys, first things first, I'm turning the center burner completely off. I'll come in here and grab my tube. It's full. It's probably going to spill a little bit here. A little tube of mesquite wood. We're going to get us a fire going in it. I'll edit through this. It does take a second or two to get this thing going. Just stay with it. Smell that mesquite. And guys, we'll stir it out directly over top. Hopefully we can get it all in here. Get some smoke on these for a little bit. Get off here. Uh-oh. I may have just lost fuel. I did. We'll get this on here and I'll change out the propane. That's twice that's happened to me in a video. What's up with that? Okay, got a little, you want to smell that mesquite wood. We do got some smoke generated on here. It's been, I'd say about 15 minutes. I went a little bit longer than that because part of that time was replacing the fuel tank. So, sorry about that. Give these guys a turn. Of course, they are cooking some. They're running about 320 degrees, which is fine for what I'm doing here. But definitely get a little smoke flavor on here. That's awesome. Not a lot of room up here, but we're making do. Let's go ahead and turn that. We'll let this go about 15 minutes or so to draw a little. Here we go. Did I turn that? I guess I did. Alright, let this go about another 20 minutes, and then we're going to go down here on the direct heat and grill these guys off. Alright guys, we are about 30 minutes in. I'm just curious. We're not done. I can tell we're not done, but I want to get some. We're more done than what I thought. Let's get this on the grill, and we're gonna get some good grill marks on here. Get some good char on the skin. Shouldn't take us that long to get done from here. Put some over on this side over the direct fire. I have no heat in the middle. I'm still letting the smoke do its thing, but pretty much we've been on smoke for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna turn that around. But yeah, we're pretty much done with the smoke here. We just want to get some good grill marks on here, bring it up to temperature, and yeah, get this thing done. Come on in here. I hope my hand doesn't get too much in the way here. Yeah, that's what we're doing. This is what's happening now. Although I prefer charcoal, everyone knows that. You get some good wings here, guys, right here on the gas grill. And you can introduce a little smoke too. Come back in a few minutes and we'll start checking some temps. Some of these flats might be done. They tend to finish up first. We'll just move them up back up top. Some of these are going to be closer to done, but we'll get them over and take some temps. You know, that one back there needs to come up. Excuse me. I think wings, you've heard me say it before, wings is the magic number, is about 185 for me. Some of these are already over that, so we're going to move them up top. Yes, definitely. The wings, or the flats, I'm sorry, are pretty much done. Maybe not these two. Let's check them here. Yes, all the flats are done. Beautimous. Is that all the flats we had? Let's move these into more of the hot zones. We're pretty close. Technically they're done. I kind of want to get them up a little higher. Hey guys, we'll keep going on the rest of these. Oh yeah, guys. We're looking good here. That's well over. We're going to pull these. Some of these over here are good. That's 170. I'm going to call that at 175. 179, 80. We're close enough with that. Just because the other ones are all good. Stay off the phone. 175. We're good here. This one's 193. We're good, guys. Guys, let me get these off of here. And we'll go inside. See what kind of sauces we got to dip these in. And get us a taste test. Alright guys, would you look at this? It is true goodness, grilled on the Monument gas grill. I've grown to love that grill. I'd much rather be on charcoal, but hey, you know the deal. We're gonna get a bite of that guy. Would you look at that? That guy right there. I got a series of sauces over here. We're gonna try a couple of them and get us a bite. Hey guys, that is beautiful, gotta say. I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna taste this with nothing on it but that Heath Riles, which is very important. That garlic butter is over the top. Every time I've used that, and whatever I've used that, it's up there. Try a couple different versions for you here. First, I'm just going to dribble a little bit of my favorite hot sauce, original Cholula, just right on there, just a little bit. Awesome, as always. Love my Cholula. And one more that I'm going to show you. You know, I've got some ranch here. I'm always dipped in ranch. I told you, being at Academy Sports, ran across the Hey Grill Hey. Some of her sauces and some seasonings. I bought a little bit of it. And this is the Hey Grill Hey barbecue cranberry glaze. And I can't wait to dip these wings in that. I did this on some chicken breast the other night. It come out really good, just glazed the chicken breast. I want to try that with this Heath Riles garlic butter and the cranberry glaze. Oh yeah. That is excellent. That note of cranberry flavor in there. Excellent. Great job. Hey girl, hey. Tell you what, guys, wings, I do a lot of wings. You've seen me do a lot of wings on here. You'll probably see me do a lot more. It did get me through a little crunch tonight because I've been in some pain, and hopefully it's short term. If not, if I'm down a week or two, forgive me. But so far I'm still upright. I just have some pain, and bending over does hurt some. So guys, thank you so much as always. Please hit that like button, share if you have not, and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye bye. Cheers to you guys.